Hey folks, Watson here. We're looking at this ultrasonic cleaning machine from VEVOR. I'll be trying it out on a few items such as a metal measuring spoon, some coins, and the top of my electric shaver. So let's kick it off right about now. This here is the 22-ounce capacity version, but it's available in a 16-ounce version also. The machine's powerful cleaning capabilities come from high-frequency oscillation signals and tiny bubbles that break up and remove dirt and stains. The setup is super easy. There are two baskets, so pick the one that fits your items the best. Add distilled water to the tank between the minimum and maximum line. It's recommended that you avoid tap water due to minerals and chemicals like chlorine. And if your items take up a lot of space, it's probably best to put the basket in first and then pour the water on top. Now just plug in the included AC cord to the back of the unit and then into an outlet. Press the time button to cycle through the 5 options ranging from 90 seconds to 480 seconds, which is 8 minutes. Then just hit the power button to start. That's it. If you need to check your items partway through, hit the power button to pause, take a look, and then hit it again to restart. You can clean all kinds of things like glasses, office supplies, toothbrushes, makeup brushes, jewelry, dentures, watches, and more. I started with some coins, and they did get clean and shinier, but you wouldn't want to just dump a bunch of pennies in there since the micro bubbles need to touch all surfaces to clean them properly. So you don't want to stack or pile things up in the basket. I also tried it on a cruddy kitchen measuring spoon, and it came out nice and clean. The machine's pretty quiet too, it just makes a little humming sound. The item that it really worked great on was my electric shaver blades. These things have a million surfaces, rinsing them barely does anything, and I almost bought a new one because I didn't have a good way to clean it properly, until now. So look at this, it looks brand new. Okay, now let's empty the unit and check out the water to see what it looks like. The water container is made of stainless steel, which makes it corrosion resistant and easy to wipe clean. Just use a sponge and soap if need be. To empty it, unplug and pour sideways like this. Look at that water. Gross. So it's that easy to deep clean items with just water and high frequency oscillation. There's even a degassing function that removes dissolved gas from the water to make it more efficient. I'm going to store ours in the bathroom for toothbrushes, razors, and my wife's jewelry. So check this out today. It's by VEVOR, a great brand that makes all kinds of products ranging from electric jackhammers to cotton candy machines. So they know what's up. Thanks for watching.